Have you ever thought about hanging on to real estate and building a portfolio as you move through life and need to upsize, downsize, and make your real estate moves? Now you're able to do that actually using the departing primary residence feature when you're doing your mortgage loan qualification. Here's how. So, how it works is basically number one, you're going to get a lease agreement on the current home. And what we're going to do is we're going to take 75% of that rental income to offset your mortgage. So this actually improves your debt to income ratio, making it much easier to qualify for your next home. So this strategy actually helps you build wealth. It lets you keep your current home as an investment while moving into your dream home with a smoother loan approval process. So if you want to see how this can work for you, just reach out today. Let's explore your options and see how we can help you continue to build wealth with your real estate assets.